Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for the best 3D printers to buy in 2026, you're in the right place. Whether you're a beginner, a hobbyist, or a serious creator, choosing the right 3D printer can save you time, money, and a lot of frustration. In this video, we've carefully picked the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026 based on print quality, speed, reliability, features, and overall value for money. We'll break down what makes each printer stand out and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. All product links are listed in the description below, so you can check the latest prices and deals anytime. Let's get started. 5. Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo. Experience the next level of 3D printing with the Anycubic Kobra S1 Combo and Ace Pro, where speed, color, and precision come together with vibrant 4-color printing out of the box and the option to unlock breathtaking 8-color printing by combining 2 Ace Pros. Your creations will stand out like never before. Powered by an incredible max speed of 600 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, this printer delivers up to 12 times faster performance without sacrificing detail. The advanced dual PTC filament drying system with 360-degree hot air circulation keeps filaments in perfect condition for flawless results, while Anycubic Kobra OS ensures smooth surfaces and ultra-precise prints with intelligent flow compensation. Add in the convenience of one-click remote printing through the Anycubic app and support for complex multi-plate designs, and you've got a smart, powerful 3D printer built to turn imagination into reality. 4. Bambu Lab P1S. Bring your ideas to life faster and smarter with this high-performance 3D printer. Designed for creators who want speed, precision, and flexibility. With support for up to 16 colors and multi-material printing via Bambu Lab AMS, you can showcase stunning, professional-level designs with ease. Experience true high-speed printing at up to 500 millimeters per second and 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, all inside a fully enclosed body that boosts performance with advanced filaments. Automatic bed leveling ensures consistently smooth, high-quality prints, while the 15-minute setup gets you creating almost instantly. Compatible with popular filaments like PLA, PETG, TPU, ABS, ASA, and more, this printer is the perfect choice for makers who want powerful features without the complexity. 3. Creality K2 SE Combo. The Creality K2 SE Combo 3D printer is built for creators who want speed, precision, and stunning multicolor results in one powerful machine. With smart CFS multicolor printing, it delivers smooth color transitions through automatic filament switching, color recognition, and moisture-proof storage for clean, reliable output. Its next-gen motion system reaches up to 500 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, making it ideal for rapid production without sacrificing print quality. The solid die-cast aluminum frame ensures exceptional stability, while the practical build volume handles everything from functional parts to creative multicolor models. Smart auto-leveling probes only where needed for perfect first layers, and the modular direct drive extruder with hardened steel gears guarantees smooth, durable filament feeding. Combined with Creality OS, easy setup, batch print reliability, land control, and cloud printing, the K2 SE Combo is a powerful, user-friendly 3D printer for beginners, makers, educators, and professionals alike. 2. Elegoo Centauri Carbon Print right out of the box with the Elegoo Centauri Carbon, a fully assembled and pre-calibrated 3D printer designed for speed, strength, and simplicity. Featuring auto bed leveling, an intuitive touchscreen, and a generous 256 and 256 millimeter, 10 inches 10 x 10 inch build volume, it's perfect for beginners and experienced makers alike. Its advanced CoreXY structure delivers ultra-fast printing up to 500 millimeters per second with 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, while the high-flow hot end and powerful heated bed ensure reliable results on large, detailed prints. Built for performance materials, the 320 degrees Celsius brass-hardened steel nozzle and enclosed, well-cooled chamber handle carbon fiber reinforced filaments with ease. A rigid die-cast aluminum frame, automatic vibration compensation, and pressure advance guarantees smooth first layers and consistent quality, even at high speeds. With smart features like a built-in chamber camera, dual LED lighting, time-lapse recording, remote monitoring, and a dual-sided build plate with a PLA-specific surface, Centauri Carbon delivers frustration-free, professional-grade printing from the very first print. 1. Flashforge Adventurer 5M Pro unlock next-level creativity with the Adventurer 5M Pro 3D printer, where speed, precision, and smart design come together. With blazing fast print speeds up to 600 millimeters per second Earth, 20,000 millimeters per second acceleration, and a nozzle that heats to 200 degrees Celsius in just 35 seconds, your ideas move from concept to reality faster than ever. The rigid CoreXY structure and all-metal frame deliver outstanding stability for high-speed, high-detail printing, while multiple nozzle options let you balance speed and fine detail with ease. Automatic pressure-sensing bed leveling ensures perfect first layers without manual calibration, and the dual-sided PEI build plate makes model removal effortless. Ready to print in just 10 minutes, the Adventurer 5M Pro features smart app control with remote monitoring, real-time adjustments, safety alerts, and workflow-boosting functions like filament detection and resume printing. Supporting a wide range of materials from PLA to carbon fiber composites, its 280 degrees Celsius full metal direct extruder gives you the flexibility to tackle everything from rapid prototypes to durable, functional parts with confidence. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 best 3D printers of 2026. Each of these printers stands out for performance, reliability, and value, so the best choice really depends on your needs and budget. If you want to check the latest prices, specs, or availability, all the product links are in the description below. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our future tech and product reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.